Since moving to Tennessee, I have gotten animals, I've gotten responsibilities that I never thought I'd have. For example, this tree fell down, or at least a big branch on the tree did. And I've been cutting it up for a minute as we're repairing our fireplace on the inside. I've learned how to do all this stuff.
Where are my kids?
But my chainsaw went, my blade went
All right, I'm going to clean
dull.
this with 2 hands.
So I need to sharpen it. I've never done that before.
How amazing
So
this
I've got
is.
my,
And here's Crosby. I
look
went
at
and
that.
got help.
Wait.
He's going to film for me.
That is.
Yeah.
At that.
I just felt drip on my hand.
Adequate amount.
Just got to clean everything down a little bit.
Cover a little bit.
It felt.
Make it
It
as
felt. In the
ideal for chopping wood as I can make it. That is where rain comes from. You know what? I really like these electric grills. Far cleaner, far easier.
Now,
Than the gas.
Try the turkey. Alright, do I stop now?
No, turkey's gonna come filming my young Padawan. Watch out, Allie! Stuck in the hole. Gotta kick.
I don't know how to use it.
Yeah. No, it tastes like oil. Yeah, I don't know why there's no oil. I
Googled it. I found out how to do it.
Hey, shoot.
Nope, it's facing the wrong way.
Shoot!
It's actually
So it'll
really
jump
simple.
it all. It scratched me more than it scratched Alistair. He just got worse
Gotta
scratch.
keep the chainsaw nice and firm. Pretty much. Downwards pressure as well as pressure
Hey,
along the blade.
still filming.
I don't know how you're doing it.
The hand in the way.
My hands in the way. Here, why don't you come to this side, buddy? That way you get a good.
that's okay. That is okay, my little cameraman.
You know what we call doing this, Crosby?
No.
It's man stuff. I'll let you chop. I'll let you use it next. We could have a chainsaw fight after this. You want to have a chainsaw fight?
What's that?
It's where you get a chainsaw and I get a chainsaw. First one to lose a hand loses.
So we don't have two shades.
I've got two.
Where?
We got a gas-powered versus an electric one.
Then I call that one.
You want the electric one? All right, I'll use the gas-powered one. I'm okay with that.
Which one's heavier?
The gas-powered one.
This one?
No, this is the electric one.
Then I want this one.
Point and shoot. It's the wrong battery. Why'd you give me the wrong battery, child?
I'm so filming. I'm following you.
I'm putting it in wrong.
There we go. So yeah, remember red means dead, and the battery's dead.
Charge it.
Yeah. Now you can turn it off. All right, chainsaw war. Like butter. You kids probably don't know what the grunt is from, but the adults know. Let's hear your grunt, Crosby. All right, you want to cut?
Sure.
All right, remember, push the button, pull the trigger.
Okay.
That side will kill you. And you have to grunt when you're done. Okay?
Which one?
Arr, 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 arr.
No.
You've got no choice. It's part of the rule. All right, I want you to cut this small part right here, like right there. That's it. Push down. Now let's hear the grunt. Yeah. Arr, 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 arr. Here, let's grunt together. Ready? Arr, 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 arr. I'm gonna cut the big one. You gotta film it. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm strong, but I'm not stronger than a tree.
Timber, baby.
Done.
Film me. It's worked really well. The battery's a little dead, but don't blame the saw for that. Blame me. I didn't know I was doing this until I started doing it. Saw it. The blade is sharpened. Everything's looking good. My little assistant Crosby. Good job. Hey, and guys, I highly recommend it. I don't know what brand I used. Come here. What brand was it? Oregon. That's what it was. My Oregon chainsaw blade file works really well. I highly approve. So go out and get one, guys. Go out and get one. Never don't smile. All right, you can kill it.